My name is Peter Anderson. I'm the Group Managing Director for Asset Management at UAPL Mutual. I've been with the company just over 10 years and 22 years as an investment professional. I think it's important to put perspective in what is happening throughout the world and within Kenya. At the current time, there's obviously a lot of uncertainty about how things are. But I think we should not feel despair. We should have hope. We're probably midway through our journey. And I would say to all those individuals and families who are concerned about what is coming through, soon enough, things will get better. And normality of some sort, of course, it may be slightly different from what we experienced at the beginning of the year, will come to the Republic. Well, what we're seeing really, and I think what people should be focusing on probably most is, of course, there's uncertainty about, incomes and so forth. And I think the first thing is to try and make yourself feel comfortable in your financial situation. I would never encourage somebody to take, investment or savings decisions that may be aggressive or beyond what their flexibility or their circumstances allow. Investment is a very individual aspect for each individual, okay? Of course, there are opportunities now, but what's important is to understand, what the future holds. How are you positioned to be able to progress and go forward in terms of some of your savings decisions? So if you're looking at, wanting to do some investment, my first base and my first advice to somebody is just make sure you're in a good position of strength before you start committing money into investments that may be sometimes hard to get back or may be volatile in their value, for example. So this is very important. It's not so much of invest. Sometimes it may even be put some money aside in case things don't turn out well, and that's quite important. And there are ways to actually invest in those things so you can have access to your capital as well. And that is probably one of the key things to appreciate. At this current time, some people may be investing, but their circumstances may be different from others. They may be very comfortable about what's going to happen over the next 1 year, 2 years, and in position to know I can actually invest this excess, let's say. And I think that's important for individuals to appreciate, or anybody who's advising somebody, for example, about their investment portfolio, the decisions they need to make.